Activating your Neo credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or over the phone. To begin, ensure you have your credit card and relevant personal details readily available. First, visit the Neo credit card website and navigate to the activation page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, and security code. Next, you will need to provide some personal identification information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. This is a standard security measure to verify your identity and protect your account. Once you have entered the required information, review the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement. It is essential to understand the interest rates, fees, and repayment terms associated with your card. After reviewing the agreement, confirm that you accept the terms and conditions. You will then be asked to create a username and password for your online account. Choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. Alternatively, you can activate your Neo credit card by calling the customer service number provided on the website or on the back of your card. A representative will guide you through the activation process, which typically takes a few minutes to complete. After activating your credit card, you can start using it for purchases, online transactions, and other financial activities. It is crucial to keep your credit card and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access. To manage your Neo credit card account effectively, make sure to monitor your transactions regularly, pay your bills on time, and maintain a healthy credit score. By following these best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of your Neo credit card while minimizing potential risks. In conclusion, activating your Neo credit card is a simple and quick process that can be completed online or over the phone. By understanding the activation process and following best practices, you can make the most of your credit card and maintain a secure and healthy financial profile.